it's the 5-minute chef, and today we're gonna make seafood Hong Kong Yee Mee, one of my all-time favorites. First, wash your vegetable of choice. Mine is the xiao bai cai, and watch me rip them into half like that. Next, choose some protein. I'm going to be putting some tofu, slicing it into cubes so they are easier to eat. Slice this way. Now slice that way. Okay, and now we have little cubes. I also like to have seafood in my Yee Mee. Here we have some frozen scallops and frozen prawns. Just give it a quick wash. And that's about it. These are your ingredients. Of course, don't forget your Yee Mee and some chopped garlic. Once you're ready, you can heat the pan and pour some oil into it. Next, put in your chopped garlic and stir fry it until it's fragrant. Bubble, bubble, bubble. I wish you can smell that. In the meantime, boil some water. Once the garlic is fried until fragrant, we're going to put in our frozen seafood. Okay, you heard that sizzle, you know it's gonna be good. Next, pour in your already boiled water so you don't waste any time waiting for water to boil. Put in your tofu or any other protein of your choice. Give your soup some taste by putting in any kind of stock you like. I just put in some MSG and some salt, just a little bit, and it will taste really good because the seafood already gives it some flavor into the soup. Now cover it and let it sit under the fire for a few minutes. Once you see it coming to a rolling boil, put in your vegetables. They should be really quick. Don't put in your veggies for too long. It's gonna be mushy and nobody likes a mushy vegetable. Then put in your Hong Kong Yee Mee, the dried one. This one is going to be cooked super quick, so make sure you keep an eye on it. And now it's ready. Let's pour it into a plate and serve it up. There you have it. Yummy seafood Yee Mee. Thank you and subscribe. Bye.